So you're not doing anyone favors by going to school. You're doing it for yourself. Hallelujah. Amen. Siyabonga babumo. Siyabonga. Usually kumana that is your joke and everything. It has always been in our hearts. Sinabonga mfowethu usithole umlungisi to do ama events akeshafane nalawo whereby we promote and we condone into yokuthi akufundwe indoda ibe indoda ingahambi icela kungaba. Njula mabombe nje digest. Indoda ibe indoda ingahambi icela. Ashumayele ivangeli emntwini okhangisayo. Uma nabantu bafana nomahlanga abantu abafonelayo bathi ukuthi indoda sengithenge indlu. Konke ngisho kini njalo manje. Baphakathi sikhule thina sibukela umuntu bethu eZayoni sibona ngathi it's fashionable ukuthanda amantombazane udlala ngamantombazane lezo zinto zisibambezele in the long run. Noma sesibambile ibhethi sesithi sigijima noNkulunkulu ikusasa izolo lethu liyavuka. Uma besibona bamageba uma besibona bathi hayi ashumayela nje. Kodwa ukhona isikwaziyo ngayo. And bengaphumanga vele ukhona abakwaziyo. Because there are certain things that we idolize, isn't wrong to do. It's so good I'm talking to you, I'm not preaching. Amen. Alright, sonke siyaza ngithi uthi wesikhomune into zakhe. Asibuyeni ke singapheli mathasazi. So I'm so happy babu Mobe. Uma kuba khona ama platforms angaka at this level. Because moving forward it will be easy for them because ba celebrate banikwa nama advices at this level. Moving forward sebeya ku tertiary level bayalazi iqiniso. And usizo lukhona eZayoni. Ngicela nje ukunibonga mina mkhulu. Ngicela ukunibonga mkhulu. You were the first person to bless me mangiza kuwe incwadi ngakathengwa ngabantu. That is why Washington DC, I said this is the sign of the soul, the sign of Uzayoni. Because believe you me, I pride myself on Uzayoni. Uzayoni has never done me wrong. I am the man that I am today. It's because of Oba myself. Oba Bukhanyile. Sibabuka sithanda abakwenzayo sasondela eduze kwabona namhlanje sisayithola iluleko zabo asiphezi. Now kunento encane nje engicela ukuyisho bazalwane, life is a book of the dead. Niyazi losindisiwe sekaqala ufuna ukubheka amavesi na. But it is the truth. Life is the book of the dead babuNkosi. Because iluleko nginika zona iluleko wayinikezwe bangasekho emhlabeni nabo bethatha kubani nabanye bethatha kubani zilini namanje zisele engane zabo kanjalo. So we are telling a book of the dead, and death is rebirth on another level. Amen. Ngiyambonga bazayona kithi ngiyambonga. Bakuthela ngiyabonga. Bamthele ngiyabonga. Enikwenzile ngoba enikwenzile nivule into eseyicreateekile esiyenza nabo babuNkosi esibiza ukuthi passing the baton, whereby we take ama writers, aspiring writers basondele and we teach them how to write and to publish the book. Iziyophuma incwadi ipublishwe within the fraternity kaZayoni. almost half of the house here. And for that, I'm so proud to be Uzayo. We get invited there, I'm charismatic, the Methodist, and I mention because I pride myself. Washington DC, I wanted to do that. Unfortunately, they were so strict. This is the dress code. That is why he's going on. Hey, I never told you names of me, but hey. Always ask questions. Always ask questions. Don't take anything. Don't take everything. Ask why. So that when you practice what you understand, as opposed to practicing an instruction. Because when you fail, I was to fail this way because I was angry. And never be led by a person who always feels threatened by your questions. At this age, you follow us so that when you come at this age, refuse to be led. It's fine. At this age, refuse to be led by a leader in a 9 metric. I will repeat this. Unapologetically so. We're talking to the younger generation that is emerging, and they will take over Baba pastors at Sasana Matric because they were led by people who don't have matric. Anyone of listen in the now, anyone of listen in the now, I'm sure they will for this. Fundile now. Don't be led by you know what would be the problem, Church of God? The problem would be uzobuza certain questions. I feel like you're threatening, you're challenging authority, and you know a level of thinking I need now. Yes, anointing call. About as we have being alive, metric is fine. What about alive? What the day government said again visit again visit so ask questions. Associate yourself with people. Associate yourself with people who knows better than you. Not people who will always receive from you. But associate yourself with people who knows better than you so that you can always find information. And never ever think in your life that you've arrived. When you think you've arrived, you must know that you are soon to depart. Once I was about to was called